One night in Bangkok, singer Murray Head is hospitalised in France after crashing into a truck while driving home from an interview about the Queen's death. Murray Head driving in southern France around 3 p.m. Monday when he crashed. Singer and actor lost control of his car on a bend and ended up in oncoming lane. He was hit by a mixer truck and rushed to hospital in the nearby city of Pau. Head, 76, was driving near the city of Pau, in the southern Pyrenees region, around 3 p.m. Monday when the accident happened near his home in Saucide, where he has lived for 2 years. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for the latest news and updates.